bathroom. Place a traffic control device at the door of the public bathroom. Take out the trash and replace the trash bag. Flush the toilet and apply the cleanser and then close the lid. Proceed with cleaning other areas of the bathroom. Clean the mirrors, sinks, and faucets. Clean the wall. Next, brush thoroughly the insides of the toilet bowl. Then, wipe inside of the lid and seat of the toilet bowl. Wipe the outside of the toilet bowl, including the tank and the flusher. Brush the floor to remove mold and mildew. Damp mop the floor starting from the farthest end of the bathroom. Replenish soap and toilet paper.